You know, wherever we go, people saying, "Where are you guys from? Are you real cowboys? Are you fake cowboys?" And the reality is we're really lost cowboys because we left South Africa around 20 years ago. And wherever we go, we love to tell people about our culture and our drive. And you know, it's usually about food, and it's usually about beer, and it's usually about camping and touring. And we were given a brilliant opportunity at the Royal Thatch to come and camp and reinvigorate our culture with some of South Africa's artists. I believe Nadine is going to be there, and see if we still camp, eat and braai the way we're supposed to as Afrikaners. I am doing a tent, and I don't want to talk about it because we're supposed to be van lifers, and I'm getting really good at doing a tent.
I'm going to show you. I can do it alone, man. Watch it. It was your idea to buy the tent. Remember?
Nee, die blikkie moet eers oop.
Dis die fout, Hendrik. Die blikkie moes oop.
Dan moet jy jou sak oopmaak.
Dan moet jy jou sak oopmaak.
Dan moet jy met jou sak 'n slukkie vat en
insit.
En in jou sak sit. As jy dit gedoen het, dan beplan jy die volgende stap.
As I said before, van life's a little easier than tenting.
Sure.
I didn't know we were going to come to South Africa to learn tenting instead of van life.
Oké, het jy ingevlieg? Lyk of jy ingevlieg het. Hoekom is jy so baie goed?
Maar met die kinders.
Alle woers!
Alle woers! Alle hogere!
Alle hogere!
Alle lagere! Alle verdere! Alle nadere! Alle videre, alle woers!
Lekker jaggemai.
Lekker jaggemai. Wat sê jy?
Volgende ronde.
Oh, ek het nog net 'n bok geskiet. Ek is dokter Attie, jy weet dit. Oh, lekker man. Wat byt?
Ja, it's a chili infused olive oil. Wat jy die eie en die mushroom eers braai, dan sit jy die mossels. Ek het 'n bottel rosé-wyn daar.
Die reël is, dis ons reël, is my reël at least. As jy nie die water sien nie, eet jy nie mossel nie. So hierdie is 'n groot kans, maar hy's baie lekker.
Dit is 'n bacon pot.
Ja.
En bacon.
Okay.
Simpel in pap.
Afrikaners are all over the world now.
We are, yes, we're infiltrating the world.
We're on a mission as the two cowboys to say,
That is so cool.
but let's bring more people to South Africa to see the positive side, to see the renaissance, the vibrancy, and the culture going forward. So I've got a question for you. Are we taking Afrikaans to the world, or are we going to bring the world to Afrikaans?
I think we are taking Afrikaans to the world globally through downloads and streaming and having international standard productions that we can release. But I think we should bring more of the world here. We've got so much to offer, and I really want to encourage whether it be expats to come back and visit at least. Once again, remember the good things that this country has to offer. I'm very proudly South African, and I love this country. And I know you guys do too.
The good things are still here.
Absolutely.
And we're rediscovering it now that we're coming back, and we're looking at it a little bit differently.
Yes.
But this whole interview has been done in English.
I know.
So kom ons nou die wêreld uit. Kom ons sê vir die wêreld, kom hier na toe, kom sien hoe lyk Suid-Afrika, kom beleef al die mooi dinge.
Ja.
Want ek dink as jy die mooi dinge ontdek, wil mense dit behou.
Ja.
Dan is dit nie meer 'n kwessie van ons is bang ons gaan dit verloor nie, want ons gaan feesvier daaroor.
Ek dink kultuur is nie 'n ding wat verbonde is aan 'n land nie. Ek dink kultuur is 'n ding wat verbonde is aan mense. Dis hoekom Suid-Afrikaners seker kan gaan en nog steeds 'n braai kan langarm en dit voel so bietjie soos huis op daai aand. Maar dit sal vir my great wees om nog meer invloed in Suid-Afrika te hê van die buitewêreld af en ook om te onthou ons het 'n stem en ek is so bly dat julle hier so is. Dankie vir die two cowboys. Thank you for doing this. It's wonderful.
Yeah, appreciate it.
There we go.